Marcos from ECCPP Auto Parts, here with our upgraded tow mirror built for any 2003 through 2007 Ford Super Duty, F250, 350, 450, and 550. Our tow mirror is designed to be manual folding and manual extending, which increases road safety and visibility. In addition, it also comes with the same 4-pin mounting locations, base plate, and OE connector as your vehicle for easy installation. Our tow mirror also comes with an integrated turn signal, a larger manual adjusted upper mirror, and a lower panoramic mirror, with both having a length of 12 inches by 9 inches and an overall length of 17 inches when closed. Once extended, it reaches up to 19 inches, maximizing your road safety and visibility. Our tow mirror is designed to be a low vibrating, high quality replacement for your stock mirror that updates the look and functionality of your vehicle.